Wilkinson's method. Wilkinson's method is an orthodontic extraction procedure in which all the permanent first molars are removed at an early age. It is usually between 8.5 to 9.5 years. This method was proposed by Wilkinson. It is because the permanent first molars are more susceptible to dental caries and early damage. The main aim of this method is to create space for eruption of other tooth, reduce crowding, and provide additional space for eruption of third molars, and thereby reducing chances of impaction. It can also help in improving the oral hygiene by reducing crowding. However, this method has several disadvantages. First disadvantage is extraction of the first molar only provide a limited space for relieving anterior crowding. And the second disadvantage is second molar and second premolar may rotate or tip into this extraction space, especially the mesial tipping of the second molars. And the third disadvantage is loss of anchorage for orthodontic tooth movements. Therefore, this method is not recommended in today's practice and it is only indicated in selected cases, particularly when the first permanent molars are severely caries or severely damaged and it have a poor prognosis. In conclusion, Wilkinson's method is an early extraction approach aimed at improving dental development and preventing dental complications.